Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here. Welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to talk about how you can build your own custom Elementor widgets. So as you can see over here, we are at WordPress.com obviously, and we are going to install a plugin. So that plugin is one of the best in my opinion. And why? Because I will show you. Just click on Add New Plugin, Add New, and you will end up over here. Go for Search Plugins and search for Unlimited Element plugin. So obviously, yeah, you will end up over here and you can see there are multiple options, but the first one which you can see over here, it's animated blue and pink. It's by Unlimited Elements, and you just need to click on install now and wait for it. Click on activate, and it has been activated. So if you scroll down from over here obviously, and you can see that we have already a lot of widgets available over here, free and pro. You can also preview it if you want, and there are a lot of them over here: creative widgets, post widget, post filter, WooCommerce, and marketing widgets, dynamic loops. There are a lot of categories out there which you can choose, and some of them are even uh, animated, but we are not going with that. Why? Because we are going to create new widget. And how you can do that? Obviously we don't know how to do coding, right? So we need a sample of code. How? So you need to go at new tab and search for code pen, and once you search that, go for the first link, and it will take you right over here. So you just need to log in if you want, and you just start searching for it. So I'm just gonna write testimonial, and you can see we have so many options over here. So for this tutorial I'm just going to show you how you can just copy that. So the first image, obviously this is, or we can go just with this one. Just click on it and you can see we have three options over here: CSS, HTML, and JS, right? So you can see over here, this is how it will look like, but we are not going to use this. I'm going to show you the one I'm going to use for this tutorial, right? So you can just search that also if you want, but that one is this. So I'm going to use this one. And how you can do that, you just need to click on over like this HTML and copy that and paste that over there. How? So we are going to use this, right? So go over here, back to WordPress, click on add widgets, name that demo1, name that again demo1, and add widget. I don't want to add description, so obviously this is for tutorial, right? So there are two uncategorized, so we might find that over here. I have already created one, so I'm just going to delete that. You can also search your demo obviously. You can see we have preview and duplicate, but we are going to edit, right? Just click on it, and this will be our widget, but we haven't created yet, right? So you can see over here, we will end up over here. You can choose your icon, and there are multiple options out there which you can choose, and those are very similar and very easy options which you can add them later. But I'm going to show you how you can create your widget like this, right? So right now you can see widget. I'm going to copy this, so just click on over here. Sometimes you can just copy it, otherwise just click here, Control A, Control C, or you can just go ahead and click on Control C, right? Go over here, obviously it was HTML, right? I'm just gonna close this. Go to HTML, paste, that's it. So after that, go to CSS obviously. So this is the CSS. Control A to select them all, right? Copy, go back, and simple paste. That's it. But obviously we don't need like footer and header, because these things I don't want that, right? So I'm just gonna remove like title and footer from over here. I'm gonna remove this and footer from HTML, and from CSS I'm gonna remove footer, because I don't want footer obviously. And it takes some time, but it will be okay to do that, because there will be some additional things they are showing us, right? So I can just go up, and I'm gonna delete this, and I don't even need this body, right? That's it. After that, click on update, and all good. So this one thing is missing. What is that? I'm just going to go at pages. I'm going to create a new page. I'm going to name this demo, and obviously schedule it, or I'm going to schedule it real quick and click on edit with Elementor. Once you click on edit with Elementor, it will take on the page builder obviously, and there I can I can edit those widgets. So I'm just waiting for it to open, and you can see everything's very smooth and everything is very easy. So right now we are end up over here. So our demo is one, right? So our widget name is demo1. So now I'm just going to click on over here and make sure to update this, right? So otherwise after this, even though if you paste this and you didn't update, it won't show up over here. And refresh this page and click search for your demo, and you can see I have this already, and drag that over here. So here we are, exactly the same as over here, but we have also changed, like we have removed those titles and every single thing. So that's why it's not showing up with this one. Otherwise it was in the title, oh sorry, in the HTML. So right now we have the widget, right? So how you can edit this? So this is very easy, and this will be the last step which you can do. So go back to this over here, and you need to add attribute. How you can add attribute? So you can see there is an option for attribute. Click on it, click on add attribute, and you will end up over here. So this is the text area, right? So I'm just going with the text area, and this is the attribute, like what you want, what do you want to add, right? So like drop down menu or checkbox is text area. So I'm just going with the text area, and this will be the title demo1, and name same, and testimonial, and you can allow font edit, so you can edit these fonts also. Once you've done that, click on add attribute, and simple is that. After that, click on update, remember that, right? And then you need to add this attribute in your HTML. So how you can do that? So first of all, go back over here, and we want to change this, right? And we have created an attribute for this text. So go back over here and go back to HTML, and you can see over here we have this text over here. So I'm just going to copy this only text, whatever was written on that widget. I'm going to select that all, and I'm gonna add that attribute. You can see on the right side we have attribute for demo1, and I'm just gonna add that, and simple is that. Go back to above and click on update. Once you click on update, it will be updated, and obviously once you click on it, you can see we have testimonial over here. So obviously you can edit that. Obviously that's an easy way to edit your text, and it can also go for Alex No. And if you want to create the text field, go back over here, add that attribute, the same one, and you can edit that over here. Same goes with the picture, but you have to select the select this in that. There are a lot of things which you can change over here, and if you scroll down over here, you can add images, background, even borders, and every single thing which you can do. So that's it. That's how you are going to customize and build your own custom widget on Elementor. And the best way to get your HTML and CSS codings without knowing any coding is go back to your CodePen. That website is one of the best. Go back to CodePen and find your suitable widgets. That's all. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand every single thing. Please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any queries, comment down below. Bye bye.